Yeah, I think we're pretty good. Let's wrap that up. Bill, any last words to our crypto family?
Yes. Uh, One thing I have to remember, so I'm going to do a self reminder on air. I have to remember that when the market dumps on, FUD that comes out of nowhere, especially FUD that we've heard before, I have to remember that even if the chart breaks, that doesn't mean crypto's breaking. Yes, I have to be a responsible technical analyst, but thank God I didn't tell that one person at the bottom of the market to go to stable coins, right? I don't think I'll ever forget that story. It was kind of like make or break as an analyst. Can you imagine the guy who's been screaming, the guy who was told that he's got to wear a hoodie on the show because that's become a new superstitious connection to the bull market? Can you imagine if that guy went bearish when Ethereum dropped 20%? I don't want to be that guy. And even if you're not wearing a hoodie, you don't want to be that guy or that girl. So stay strong and maintain your faith in the future of crypto.
All right, thank you, Bill. It was great to have you on. So if you enjoyed the live stream, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and invite all your friends into crypto. Invite them to Token Metrics. Let's go to the moon and beyond together.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.